So this is US oil analysis for Tuesday, 30th of January. Now, let's have a look what happened with prices and where prices may likely go. So previously we saw prices came pretty close to this 66.71. We've had a pull back. We didn't quite get down to the 64.76. We saw the buy side momentum head back up towards this 66.50. We didn't quite get there. We posted a lower high. So we've got a high there. We posted a lower high. We saw sell side momentum, no reaction towards the 65.60 on the move downwards. And we've come down towards the area that we previously found support in around the 65 level. What we did see was a move up. We've stalled at the 65.60, so we did have a negative reaction towards that 65.60, and we do seem poised for more downside momentum. So if we do have a downside continuation, we'll see our price direct towards that 65.60, and we have found support there in the past, so on 2 occasions. So we'll see whether it does hold, or the frequency of tests. We'll possibly see a break down towards our 64.76. Previously held as a resistance, just there, minor resistance, had a brief pullback there. So again, 64.76, we'll see whether we do see that buy side momentum bring us back towards our 65.60. A move beyond which we're looking to see our prices reacting around our 66.50 level. Towards our 64.76, we also have the 200 period moving average. Possibly, depending on how long we do take to get down there, we may test both at the same time. And if we do test the 64.76 and the 200 period moving average, we may see a bounce up towards 65.60. If, however, we do break down from 64.76 and the 200 period moving average, we are looking for prices to head down towards the $64 a barrel level. In around $64 a barrel level, we also have the 400 period moving average marked out here in black, and a break from which we're looking to see our prices reacting around 63.76. Ultimately, the US oil is in a pretty strong uptrend on the higher time frames, so I would expect downside to be somewhat limited. Possibly might see what we have seen more recently, coming down to key levels like the 65 on this occasion, and seeing some buy side momentum. But we are at quite our highs, so we may see a further pullback before we see continuation of the higher time frame trend to the upside. But going forward here, we do appear to be having some weakness with the highs, lower highs, and a lower high here again at a key level. Well, at a minor level here. So we may see further downside momentum in the short term before we have the continuation of the higher time frame trend to the upside. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the US oil analysis. Thanks for watching.